How to add friends in FastBull. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to add friends on FastBull easily. So first of all, open up a web browser and type in fastbull.com in it to end up in the official web page of FastBull account. Also make sure that you're logged in to your FastBull account. Now go ahead and click on the search bar at the top right corner and type in the name of a user you are trying to search. Once you search for the user, click on their name or their profile picture, and on the next page it'll take you to their profile. Go to the add friend button and click on it to send them the friend request. Now you can also go ahead and enter your verification info and click send, and your friend request has been sent. Once they accept your request, you'll be connected. So there you know how to add friends and connect with other traders on FastBull easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.